Okay.
Okay, I do believe we are live. Okay, I do believe we are live.
Yes, yes, I see it.
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Awesome. Sweet. Well, here we are. We're here. We're live on the Engineering Robo channel. Going to be looking at some coins, some potential companies and or commodities, whatever happens. Honestly, we're going to go with the flow. I'm here with the one and only Lorenza. We'll
Yes,
start the stream off with a boom, if you will. If you introduce yourself, my good sir.
yes, yes, yes. Well, my name is Lorenza. I'm a part of EngineeringRobo since this year. Eh, Having discovered crypto in early since 3 years, and I'm very happy to be part of this family. Uh, like the title, I read the best trading robo advisor, EngineeringRobo. Yes.
Mm-hmm. So what type of trader are you, perhaps, like in terms of your personal experience?
And I started in investor mode with all the quality and default of the hurdle. And history, in summary, I do my best to learn from my mistakes. Since the Wally and since the Wally before crack COVID, I experienced the crack COVID, the bull run, the the bull run, and now the bear market. I'm starting to survive more easily than the previous times.
Learning from past mistakes, perhaps.
A lot of
Right,
a lot
right.
of mistakes, yeah, but I think it's a part of the way
Mm-hmm.
I think to grow, to try to survive, and to and now this year I discovered the engineering robo.
Right.
For if I discover more more soon, I do a better bull one. But that good. I discover engineering robo at a good time, a very good time to learn, and everything I had learned myself during these years. Uh, Personally, I had to do a reset, totally a reset to welcome the power of our engineering robo. I need to reset all of my brain to receive this all the knowledge.
You wanna start kind of over again. You want to give like a new slate to take on what Engineering Robo kind of has, is what you're saying?
Yeah, yeah. With
Mm-hmm.
an engineering robo, I is the best for me. You follow the flow, additional with technical analysis,
Mm-hmm.
engineering robo to canalize of a channel emotion, my patience. Um, since I discovered engineering robo, it has made me go more deeper into the rabbit hole of cryptocurrency.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Yes, yes,
Yeah, we were.
really.
Sorry, continue. Sorry.
Yeah, really, and because the engineering robo, you no longer need to receive market noise to other way. Since my membership, I have acquired my knowledge of various of workshop to go through the mastering technical analysis and financial market. Engineering robo gave me the confidence for the next years who come he coming to be more serene, more 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 how I can say
To be more in control.
less stressed. Yes, more control. Exactly, more control or more control over my experience, and with the group, the workshop, all the experience, sharing information, transform my vision, my strategy, and my motivation and my goals too. Et engineering robot totally transform you for a better ways and investor mode in our trading experience.
Right. Amazing. No, so you've had some ups and downs, some highs and lows. You're saying you wished, yeah, you stumbled upon Engineering Robo much sooner. But as you mentioned, this is a great time to be getting involved with it as well during these lows for sure. And as you're saying, you want to have like a clean slate to be able to take on kind of the whole experience and like in this brand new manner, because we have Engineering Robo now, this crazy mathematical algorithm that can help us emotional, feeling-based decision-making humans make better decisions that are not heavily based on feelings. And so it is key to have a strategy in all these different market situations. And so here currently in the bear markets, during these extreme lows when everyone is in a perhaps bearish state, we discover a longer term bullish perspective would be key. Accumulating during these lows, especially,
Exactly.
would be a very longer term sort of bullish thing to do here with a 5-10 year perspective.
Yes, exactly.
Awesome, great. So we're gonna transition over here to the crypto total market cap chart. We're gonna look at what's going on here. It would appear hundreds of millions of dollars, billions of dollars leaving the crypto market. We've fallen below the $1 trillion level. So let's transition here seamlessly
Yes,
over to the chart. Hopefully there's a chart on the screen.
perfect.
Okay.
Yes,
Awesome. So we've got the crypto total market cap, which appears to be interacting with a level of potential support here at the moment. It was a high found around 2018 there, where the crypto market cap peaked near $771 billion. Following that sort of swing high, the market cap decreased below 100 billion to as low as 94 billion before finding a bottom and then rallying to and through previous highs, interacting with the multi-trillion-dollar level ever so briefly. It would appear here returning to the aforementioned swing high, interacting with it as support here. And so,
exactly.
what would be sort of your thoughts and opinions on this kind of current sort of situation? Are we perfectly returning to a resistance breakout and retest of support type strategy to continue the uptrend, or are we doomed and gloomed here? What's your take on the
One,
situation?
the support and weekly, I think the crypto total want to be confirmed it, but we are in we are in hope for the decisions. Which direction we need to say very focus. Yeah,
You're saying you're waiting for more, like
I think
for further weekly confirmations before you can more determine it. Is that what you're saying?
exactly.
Yeah, right. I mean, during these times of uncertainty, for sure, extreme fear here, it would appear, shaking everybody out from these, people buying Bitcoin when it was trading near the 60K, 50K, 69K dollar range there, $1,000 range there, are right now at a loss, obviously. But I do believe that was obviously the same case with the previous all-time high buyers. Someone has to buy the all-time high. Just like someone has to buy the all-time low. So hopefully we can hold this like 750, maybe like a psychological level. $750 billion here seems to be a key level In our last live stream, we spoke briefly of a sort of like a crash downward where the Bitcoin price reached roughly like $10,000. And when we switch to Bitcoin, we can see why that might not be impossible kind of for us here. But at the moment here, interacting with these lows, potential area of support here. And right now, we just have to see just kind of how things might be during times of extreme uncertainty. But switching over to the Bitcoin price, this is the BLX chart. We can see correlation slightly similar here when the market cap was the $2+ trillion, Bitcoin trading in the 50, 60 plus $1,000 range. Though down below, it would appear we have fallen below previous 2017 all-time highs when the market cap was peaking, Bitcoin was peaking. We appear to be interacting with the market cap in a more pleasant-looking manner than we are with the all-time high price. But when we visualize the fear and FOMO zones here,
yes,
we can see a much more broad range of accumulation. We're on the weekly chart. I'm sorry, let me just go back to the daily chart here. We can say a more broad spectrum in play. So the fear and FOMO zones here are used for longer term accumulation and take profit areas for investors, perhaps like long-term holders of Bitcoin in particular. The FOMO zone allowing for very bullish exit opportunities because you've been accumulating since fear zone opportunities here when everyone is selling in times of extreme fear. You can accumulate with a longer term perspective in mind. Referring back to 2017 kind of thing, we have the all-time high printing for Bitcoin. Sorry, let me get it all on screen here.
Okay. Yes,
we have
best
all-time
high. Best time to buy Bitcoin to invest.
It wasn't.
Yes.
The all-time high perhaps isn't the best time to invest. Eventually you'd be in profit again, but you can see the FOMO zone here suggesting an area of take profit from longer term sort of holders.
Exactly.
It wasn't until the fear zone here during November 2018 into April, May of 2019 did we experience time in the fear zone, 45% in downside relative to entering this range, and then well over 170 days in sideways, and then another brief instance with the old cough crash. We can't mention certain keywords here on YouTube, but everybody knows what happened just before the situation and whatnot. Anyway, brief interaction here with the fear zone, another 45% correction relative to entering the fear zone range, but only about a month of time spent in this zone. So two bullish buy opportunities before breaking previous all-time highs met in 2017, which had the FOMO zones up here where many traders were taking profit. The next time we saw this price, many traders were buying here, anticipating the breakout. We broke to and through. I think Elon Musk got involved, pumped it from like 30K to 60K, and then like shook it all around. These all-time highs being created, though, however, differ from the more recent one back in 2017, is not only have we seen two different all-time highs, the later being higher than the first one, but we have not seen the FOMO zone. And so we appear to be returning to the fear zone here for the third time ever since like $36,000 per Bitcoin, pretty much around May of 2022. We have entered the fear zone here, would appear experiencing more than 45% in downside, plowing to and through previous all-time highs set by Bitcoin, interacting with what could be a potential, not impossible, $10,000-ish level, suggested by an 84% move downward here that occurred in the last two all-time highs.
Exactly.
So lots going on here. Would appear with these all-time highs and all-time lows. So what would be your thoughts here on this situation?
Yeah, this situation we are in two worlds, and which direction we want technical rebound or another crash for really touch a target, a best target to buy,
Uh,
maybe.
do you think? Do you like personally think, based on human feelings and emotions and whatnot, do you think or feel like we'll reach the dreaded $10,000 range, if even for a moment, kind of thing? Do you think that price is possible to present itself, if even though that is a majority of, not maybe not majority, but a good portion of investors perhaps think this will occur, and we know that the opposite occurs of what the investor kind of opinion is. So, in your opinion, do you think $10,000 is a price that could present itself here for us?
I think it's possible.
Mhm.
It's possible for the maybe the geopolitical situation of the world,
For sure.
and I think with with how we are in the geopolitical to be have USDT for the drop. I think. Yeah.
USDT, you're saying?
Yes. Yes. I think Bitcoin can be dropped more.
Can drop more. Yeah. Yeah. No,
Yeah.
I mean, I believe that's very much possible as well. Like I said, even if briefly, like a instance perhaps in sort of like 2020 there, where we sort of fall very violently and touch down to some lows. Um,
Mm.
I do believe, yeah, that is very much kind of possible here, kind of for us. But
Very
uh,
fast. Very fast. Very
yeah,
deeply and fastly.
very brief buying opportunity to get in before we take off to what could be the FOMO zone here, it would appear. What are your thoughts on a potential, true market top, if you will? Like, I mean, the last time we saw an all-time high was in the FOMO zone, and that is what caused the 84% correction. We have yet to see the FOMO zone, and we have yet to see the 84% correction. We're like almost there. In your opinions, do you think Bitcoin can reach this, what appears to be $193,000 level, almost a multi-$100,000 Bitcoin in its lifetime here? Do you think Bitcoin has that type of upside, or are you more neutral sort of perspective? Like, what's your longer term thoughts on sort of Bitcoin's trajectory, kind of thing? Long term bullish, long term bearish? Was it 69K top forever? Are we going to trade sideways forever? What's your take on the future of upside for Bitcoin once we get out of this dreaded winter?
I think we are in the adoption times,
Mm-hmm.
and I think lo- the ecosystem will grow, and Bitcoin. And I think it's possible Bitcoin we will reach the limit of this line.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I do agree.
Yes.
I
Yes.
think we
Yes.
are. I think we are in adoption time for sure. For sure, I do believe there's lots going on in the industry and in private and
Yeah.
public financial sectors and whatnot. Um,
Exactly. Mhm.
and yeah.
Like a transition,
Mm-hmm.
and this transition
Mm-hmm.
take time, but a lot of money need to move,
Yep.
and I think well, people need to interesting. I think to crypto, new technology for understand better the future.
Yeah. No, I would agree.
Okay.
I would agree. I do believe the underlying technology in play here, blockchain technology, is going to be a fundamental aspect of upcoming traditional finance kind of thing, the new normal way that money works. But in my personal opinion, I think a good majority of the crypto coins that exist are like, I don't know, controversial opinion, almost next to worthless. Like, I mean, it's kind of hard to have a value here in the crypto sphere, it would appear. But in my opinion, Bitcoin and perhaps Ethereum will likely stand the tests of time. Though Ethereum is, I got a slightly controversial take out Ethereum as well. Did you personally get into NFTs at all in your experience?
No, I don't have your experience of NFTs. No.
No, no, myself either. I personally am more of the like technical analyst, so I need the chart and the price action. Whereas NFTs were very fundamental. I found it was very how potentially hype the artist might be, and how cool the designs could look, and like the Discord communities. I don't know. It was too complicated for me. I like graphs and rectangles and numbers.
Exactly like me.
Yeah, would you
Exactly.
find you're more technical, or do you watch like news and general politics and that kind of stuff, or and do you look into the background and history of the projects you invest in and trade, or are you more just like charts, price action, we're at support, we're at resistance? In your experience, what is your preferred method of
Ben,
trading?
yeah. But now with the knowledge of engineering robo, I focus on the chart,
Mhm.
uh, and I'm search a lot of news, geopolitical, too.
You follow the news
But
as well, yeah.
now I can't do a correlation with my research personnel for
Right.
and the chart, and but technical analysis is very important. With engineering robo is amazing. With experience, uh, yes, I think
Hmm.
is the best way to continue in crypto ecosystem and trading to
Tech.
perform
You think technical
because
analysis will perform better?
yes,
Yeah, I would agree.
each day you I learned a lot. This year I think I learned more of
Hmm.
the 3 years before this
Yeah,
year. So when I meet engineering robo, and now I'm very focused to yeah I'm focused to stay
100%.
in the crypto game. Yeah.
That's awesome.
Yes,
That is awesome.
I'm
Yeah, yeah.
feeling
No,
yeah.
these last couple years have been unlike any other couple years, 100%. So it's definitely been an anomaly, growth and crash period for many sectors and whatnot. I do believe we're undergoing times that are unlike any other. So there's lots going on here in times of extreme fear and uncertainty, it would appear. But unfortunately, I did just get the free Zoom call 10-minute warning, because like free Zoom, not paying for Zoom. But so we will have to sort of like wrap up here ever so slightly. But it has been a great stream, in my opinion. Going back and forth, we've
Yes,
got Bitcoin, lots going on. Let's cover the sort of like really short term technicals here. Would appear in the last stream, we were interacting with resistance, so we visualized a swing high that occurred back in 2017. $17,204 is a level visualized coming from all the way back in 2017, as I mentioned, and so we are respecting it right now as resistance as it stands. And so engineering robo appears to be in a bearish state, and so we are waiting for bullish robo advisors to return before we can comfortably begin getting back into Bitcoin in terms of short-term upside and swing trading and that kind of jazz and whatnot. But as we know, we are to be accumulating during these extreme lows here. It would appear down below a technical support level waiting for us might be $13,500 if bearish robos remain and resistance continues to harass us here. But we got to go with the flow of the confirmations no matter the situation. We've experienced some extreme upside in a very short amount of time, so extreme downside is to be expected.
yeah.
But this has been the Engineering Robo stream, second of many. Perhaps we can see how these be. Thank you so much for joining us. It was a pleasure having you on here. If you'd like
Same for me.
to, if you'd like, tell us anything, any sort of final thoughts, any sort of outro type sort of deals, and we can wrap up here.
Perfect. No, a pleasure for me too, and very happy to be part of this experience family. And nice, a very good stream, very good stream.
Awesome, amazing. Well, thank you so much for joining us. It has been great. This has been the Engineering Robo 2 Shark Show. You can check out Engineering Robo with the links in the description. Check it out for free for 7 days. Uh, Many different robo advisors available. You pick three that best suit your trading strategy. Once two enter a bullish or bearish state, you can invest accordingly. We also use support levels, downtrend lines, and whatnot. Join the Engineering Robo family. Become a member today. It's been great. Have a great day. Thank you so much, and tune in next time.
Next time. Nice.